Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, so currently I have been cleaning up and cleansing my bag collection, and I have sold a number of bags including Prada, Balenciaga, and can you believe it? I've sold some of my Chanel bags. So guys, for today's episode, I'm going to share to you 6 bags that I sold from my collection, and I'm going to share to you the reasons why. So hope you could stay until the end of the episode, and hopefully also I could inspire you to help you curate a better bag collection. Hi guys, Ron here is looking budgetarian fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about latest about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam by clicking this cute little icon here so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account, that's at Ramiro52, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright, so the very first bag that I've sold is from Prada, and it is my Prada blue camera bag. So this camera bag that purchased directly from Prada in Greenbelt is the very first Prada bag in my collection. So I was very happy when I got this one because during that time, guys, I'm so in love with teeny tiny micro bags, and during that time, I think that's around 6 to 7 years ago, the phone that I'm using is my iPhone 5S Plus. So without any casing, this phone would fit perfectly, and it would actually fit a lot more. So it could fit my credit cards, it could fit my face cream, it could fit my lip gloss, it could actually fit my keys. So it's perfect for the lifestyle during that time. So unfortunately, of course, year passes by, I have added additional Prada bags in my collection which are bigger and better. Unfortunately, bad news for the Prada camera bag, I wasn't reaching out for her as much as I wanted to because every time I would be going out, I would think I want to carry a Prada bag, and then I would be reaching out for a bigger bag which would fit all of the essentials that I would need. Of course, I changed my phone. Sometimes I would love to bring a small umbrella, and that's why for the longest time, if I'm not mistaken, for the entire 2 years, I did not reach out for the Prada bag. That's why I have decided to let go of her. For the second Prada bag that I've sold in my collection, guys, it is my Prada Elekta Bag. Yes, guys, you heard me right. So I'm going to put a photo here. The Prada Elekta Bag, this is my newest Prada bag that I've purchased. And to be honest, guys, this is the bag actually that restarted my YouTube videos here again. So this Prada bag actually checks a lot of boxes whenever I would be going out. So number one, the size is really huge that I could fit a lot in there for my day-to-day activities. It would fit my 2 phones, it could fit my power bank, my cable, it would even fit a small umbrella. So it's very beautiful, it's very pristine, and I was so happy when I purchased this from my collection. It's a top handle bag, and it comes with a fully detachable strap. Unfortunately, I had an epiphany with this bag and I have to sell her, and the reason why I have to sell her is because she is a seasonal Prada bag. As you are going to notice, guys, the style of this bag is very seasonal. This came out, if I'm not mistaken, around it's a runway piece around 2018, if I'm not mistaken. I was so happy to have her in my collection. Unfortunately, the way that I am curating my luxury bag collection right now is I would want to retain bags that have a classic style that would, you know, last me for years and years and years, and I wouldn't say that, oh, this bag looks so dated. And to be honest, guys, I have checked if I could sell this really fast, and I've even contacted different resellers here. I told them this actually is good as brand new. It has no scratches, it is pristine. It comes complete. It comes with the dust bag, paper bag, and all of the accessories. But all of the resellers that I've contacted, they have declined this bag. They're saying it's because just like my recent, it is a seasonal bag and it is very difficult for them to sell. So guys, I was able to sell this one. Unfortunately, of course, I didn't get all of the money that I sold. Of course, it's understandable. It's a little bit sad that it's no longer with me. And then at the same time, guys, I'm not actually missing it. Yes, it's big, it's huge, but I think I was right in selling this Prada Elekta bag in my collection. Alright, for bag number 3, it is my Balenciaga Sharp XS bag. So I'm sure you know the story, guys. I purchased this one from italist.com. Of course, it's an online purchase. When I received this, I was a little bit surprised because it's a little bit smaller to what I imagine it to be. So unfortunately, it doesn't fit my iPhone 6s Plus. I've used it, to be honest, guys, twice only, and after that it's just kept hidden and I never used it aside from photo shoots here at home. So of course, if I'm no longer using it, I know I would want to sell this bag. So the good news about this one, so I wasn't able to sell this one, but I was able to trade it up and I was able to get my very beautiful Chanel Rodeo flap bag. Yay! As you can see, guys, so like what I mentioned, I super traded up. Of course, the condition of my Balenciaga Sharp XS bag is 10/10 pristine condition, comes complete. This one, it's a 9/10 Chanel Rodeo flap bag. Yes, it's a seasonal bag, guys. So I know I've mentioned with the Prada bag that is a seasonal piece. And this is also a seasonal Chanel bag. But you know what, guys? I'm not letting her go for the meantime because she is still a flap bag. As you can see here, it opens like this. This one, guys, comes with the hologram sticker. In the color, guys, it's silver. Silver is one of my favorite and happy colors, so you could carry it like this. And I think one of the main reason why I would not be selling her and would be keeping her from my collection, because as you can see here, right beside me are my 2 Chanel flap bags. It's very different because of course I would want to curate my Chanel bags to have at least very different looks and very different colors, so that I would, have reason to take them out once in a while. That's why, guys, I'm so happy that I don't have the Balenciaga Sharp XS bag. She's now a new loving home and I got a new Chanel bag. So for bag number 4 is this Chanel Beige Claire flap bag. I've purchased her 2000 this year, and I purchased her online via carousel from an individual reseller. I got her. I know she is 100% authentic. I was checking on this bag, so I'm going to link here the unboxing that I did so that you can see also for yourself my reaction, because normally, guys, when I do an unboxing, I would love it to be a true unboxing so I could share to you guys my genuine first-hand reaction. And my reaction when I opened that bag was, instead of OMG, I'm very happy, I was just saying okay, okay, okay. So which means I'm not very happy with that bag. And the reason why I wasn't happy 100% with that bag is because unfortunately the reseller wasn't able to disclose some of the flaws and damages, because this bag is a vintage bag. I'm aware of that one, but of course I would want it, that the seller could have at least mentioned all of the flaws on that bag, because also what happened was during shipping there was damage. She kept it inside a bubble wrap, and then of course I think there was already some sticking, like for example the leather strap stuck onto the back of the bag, which when I open it there's a large rift, and I could see that I think the bag has been repainted and portion of that repaint has come off. So I was a little bit upset when that happened. Good news is when I have contacted back the reseller, she was okay to refund me back the entire money that I got. Alright, so for bag number 5, it is one of my vintage Chanel vanity bag, guys, and it is the white caviar vanity bag. Yes, guys, I finally sold this one. So you may be surprised because on my reviews I kept on saying that this color is one of the rarest for this kind of vanity bag, which is, I would say, still is correct up to today, because I could, it's very rare that you are going to see a white vintage vanity bag. Unfortunately, The reason why I have to sell this one after receiving from my Japanese consignment store is the condition of the lining of the bag. So when I have unboxed this one, I was aware, guys, when I purchased this one that the lining has already deteriorated, and whenever I would be touching this bag, there is like already a powder substance because the lining has already deteriorated, which I was okay to use this bag. I was imagining that I would be purchasing a bag liner or a bag organizer, or even I could make one for myself. You know that I have two Chanel vanity bags. So I have this, and then I have the white caviar bag, and I have to let go of one. And this one, guys, so this is the very first vintage vanity bag that I got from another Japanese consignment store. Her condition is better compared to the white one because this one, outside, inside, it's still good condition. There are just press marks here at the front part, but the lining of this one is still in excellent condition. She still comes with the hologram stickers, so the lining is still perfect. You are going to see that there is still the stamping of Chanel. There is the hologram sticker here, and it comes with the authenticity card. I was thinking to myself that I need only to keep one of these bags, and I said I would be keeping this one. And I'm actually very happy that I was able to make that decision, because when I carry this one, guys, yes, this is a patent leather and it's vintage, and honestly, guys, the vintage patent leather of this one, it's actually still in great condition. There is no stickiness. That's what I super love about this bag. She is holding up really nicely, and I have used her once during one of my shopping vlogs, and honestly, guys, OMG, when I've used her, I know I made the right decision. I've attached a strap, a D-ring over here so I could wear it as a shoulder bag, and I'm so happy that I stuck with this one. Unfortunately, for the white caviar bag, I'm happy that she has a new home. Alright, so for bag number 6, it is still from Chanel, and it is the Chanel envelope flap bag that I purchased again online from a Japanese consignment store. Initially, I was happy with this bag, guys, because it looks like a Chanel mini square. She is a black lambskin. You could wear her as a single chain. It has the CC turn lock. So these are like the checkpoints that I wanted for a Chanel bag. She could fit my phone. She could actually be a good everyday bag. Unfortunately, you know, as I collect my Chanel bags, I have realized that this is a 1980s vintage Chanel bag, and there are designs there that I wasn't really happy. Because, guys, to be honest, as a collector right now, whenever I would be collecting a vintage Chanel bag, I would want to stick to the 90s era, moving upward to the 2000s. So let me just get an example. So of course, here I have two vintage Chanel flap bags. So I have this one, so this is a series 3, and this one doesn't have any hologram sticker, but both of them are authentic. So one of the things that I love with the 90 Chanel bag, of course, aside from the 24K gold hardware that's already given, would be this very large CCs over here, as you can see, and that is not present with the envelope flap bag that I've sold, because the CCs of that one is a little bit thinner compared to this one, because I want mine to be, you know, as big as it can be, and I love it this way. So this one also, it's a little bit bigger, so it's flat, it's a little bit bigger, but this is bigger, this is medium sized, and this is okay as well. And then the envelope flap bag, it's super thin. And another reason why I sold that one, and on the sides of that flap bag, I've noticed that it's very soft. It doesn't have any structured. And for me, guys, as you know, regardless of the brand, Chanel, Louis Vuitton, if I'm going to purchase a bag, as much as possible, if it can be structured, then definitely I would want it to be structured. As you are going to notice with the classic flap bag, it's really structured on this side, and on this one as well. Still has very good structure. On this one, it's actually really hard and structured, and I super love this one compared to the envelope flap bag, which doesn't have that structured. So I sold that one. I was so happy that I was able to sell that one, because that Chanel bag, guys. It's vintage, but it is still very, very expensive. And honestly, guys, I'm happy that I have these 2 flap bags, and I have my Rodeo bag here, my different flap bags that I would be keeping in my collection. There, guys, hope you enjoyed today's episode. So guys, I would be honest, I'm not yet done in selling some of my bags. I have a number of bags that I still would want to let go, and I will just be keeping a number of bags that are classic in style, and I know that I would be pulling out and I would be using most of the time. So hopefully, guys, you enjoyed today's episode, and hopefully I was able to impart a little bit of information and inspiration to you guys that we could curate a better bag collection. Again, guys, I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on that one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account, that's at Ramiro52, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Again, guys, a million thank yous for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please do stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!